Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send bulk SMS in GoHighLevel. First, log into your sub-account dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the left side menu and click on the Contacts tab. This is where all your leads and customers are stored. Next, you need to filter your contacts. This step is important because it helps you target the right audience. You can filter by tags, smart lists, or even select only contacts that have valid phone numbers. This ensures your message reaches the right people. After applying your filters, you will now select your recipients. At the top of the contact list, click the checkbox to select all contacts on the page. If you want to send the message to everyone in your filtered list, click on the option that says Select All Records. Now, look at the top menu and click on the Send SMS icon. It looks like a small speech bubble. This will open the message window. In the message box, type your SMS. Keep your message clear and easy to understand. You can also use a saved template if you have one. For better results, add personalization using custom values like the contact's first name. This makes your message feel more personal. Once your message is ready, you can choose to send it immediately to all selected contacts. If everything looks good, go ahead and send your message. Thanks for watching.